Part of the myHarkness platform, the myHarkness calculator allows engineers and exhibitors to ensure that digital cinema investments are fully optimized. Quick and easy to use, the tool identifies the capabilities of equipment choices and provides recommendations on projector, light source and screen choices based upon chosen screen size and maximum brightness levels for 2D and 3D. It also calculates theoretical operating costs and shows how screen choice might reduce these dramatically. So, let's take a deeper dive into the myHarkness calculator. The simple 6-stage process starts in the Screen tab with the user selecting the picture size. Users can create screens up to 60 meters or 197 feet in width. We'll go ahead and create a 15-meter wide scope aspect ratio screen. In the booth stage, we can select the number of projectors in the installation. Users can create up to a quad stack setup, but for now, we'll leave it as a single projector installation. Next, we move on to defining the specific projection technology. The myHarkness calculator features a comprehensive inventory of all digital cinema equipment, from Series 1 lamp-based projectors through to the latest Series 4 laser-based projectors from major manufacturers including Barco, Christie and NEC. We'll go ahead and select a lamp-based projector and a suitable lamp. In the Losses tab, users can define the potential lumen output from the projection system. The losses are divided into power settings, optical losses and lamp life. By default, these losses are set to 80%, 10% and 30% respectively to simulate a lamp midway through its life, and still with headroom, as recommended by projector manufacturers. The optical losses allow for lumens lost through the light path, such as aged or dirty light engine components, port glass or color correction to be included. With the losses defined, we can now move on to the Financials tab, which helps define the operational costs from running the projection system. Users can choose from 5 major currencies and set the weekly operating hours and their specific per kilowatt-hour power costs. Once these are defined, we can now interrogate all of this rich data together and identify suitable projection and screen combinations. Looking at the results table, the screen choices displayed are predicated on their 2D or 3D capabilities. There are 2 brightness levels displayed. The first column shows the brightness levels given the power settings and lamp life defined by the user, and the end-of-life brightness showcases the maximum brightness levels at 100% power at the end of the lamp's life. Finally, estimated annual lamp costs and operating costs are displayed. Across the results, you'll note a number of color-coded icons. Those marked with a red exclamation mark denote projection setups that do not meet minimum industry specifications for brightness, either at that specific snapshot or at the end of lamp life. A significant addition to this brand new version of the myHarkness calculator is the ability to interrogate multiple projection and screen setups and identify those best for brightness uniformity or operating costs, all from one screen. Over on the right-hand side are a series of drop-downs against each screen type. Opening the drop-down showcases every lamp choice available for the chosen projector and their respective brightness levels. In this projector and screen combination, we can see an option for best uniformity with a Perlux High White 140, and an option for best operating costs with a Perlux High White 220. So now users can start to think a little more about the capabilities and costs of configurations. Now what about 3D? Let's quickly shoot back to the Technology tab and select 3D and a 3D system. We'll return to the Results tab, and now we can see different screen choices and 3D brightness levels displayed, which include the light efficiency of the 3D system. Users can still identify the 2D light level capabilities of the setup by selecting the 2D values button at the top of the screen. With the results determined, users can either save the configuration for further project work in the myHarkness Modeler or Planner, or return to the main menu. As you can see, the myHarkness calculator is the ideal tool for carrying out initial stage specification work on projection setups. Have a look at how powerful this initial data can be when carried over to the myHarkness Modeler tool in other videos.